back to Senior Sparkle channel. Today we're going to unbox random stuff here. Okay, I do not see that. Okay. Alright. Let's open it from the back so you can see what is in that secret note, because I'm not gonna tell you. And this is my cutter. It's so adorable. There's this Cinnamoroll guy figure looking. I don't know. Let's just oh my, there's another box inside. Okay, alright, this is gonna be just ASMR. Yeah. Okay. And take this out. Alright, let's throw it away. Okay, this is the Ariel ASMR. Okay. Let me just put my phone a little down there. Okay. ASMR. What's this? Oh yeah, guys. While I'm opening this, and never mind, it'll be in the end of the video. I didn't know the golden song, like, yeah. I don't know, just cut that scene, like, please, erase that from your thoughts. Thank you. Alright. Good. Alright. Let's just. Why is there bubble wrap? And books. And I don't care what this. Alright. Stuff, and let's put it like this. There. Alright, and I want to show you before. It's this thing. Rated from 1 to 10. Rate it in the comments. Bye.